How to remove phone number from Google account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all open up Google on a device. Now tap on the profile at the top right corner. Now simply tap on Google account. Now tap on personal info. Now scroll down. Now simply scroll down and tap on phone number. You might be prompted to enter the password. Simply enter the password and tap on continue. Now tap on phone number. Now tap on the trash icon. Now tap on remove. Now enter your password and tap on next. Again repeat the same process. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.